we've got you a list of quick 2-ingredient DIYs to cover you from head to toe. Let's start at the top with a nourishing hair mask. Oats and honey are a great combination not just for cookies but also for your hair. Honey helps lock in moisture and gives your hair a glass-like shine, while oatmeal strengthens and reduces breakage. All you need is to add a cup of oats and mix it with 3 tablespoons of honey. Apply it to the length of your hair and leave it on for 30 minutes. Rinse off with a mild shampoo for softer, shinier and healthier hair. Moving on to battling tired and dull under eyes with a rose and almond mask. Rose has anti-aging properties and is rich in antioxidants, while almond oil is deeply nourishing. Take some crushed rose petals and mix them with 2 tablespoons of almond oil. Scrub it gently under your eyes for a few minutes and enjoy younger, brighter and moisturized under eyes. Let us not forget to show some love to our pits too. Help yourself to some mashed papaya and mix them with soaked oats to make a paste. The oats scrub away dead skin and dirt away, while papaya moisturizes and reduces discoloration. Add the glow to your face with this exfoliating and brightening scrub. Rice flour is a gentle exfoliator and scrubs away dead skin cells. Grind some rice into fine granules and mix it with water to make a paste. Gently scrub the paste in circular motions for brighter, even-toned skin. If you're looking for a sweet yet hassle-free body scrub, look no further. All you need is some sugar and any non-comedogenic oil like almond, olive or argan oil to make your very own nourishing scrub. Apply in circular motions over uneven, rough patches to scrub away the impurities and dead skin cells and enjoy smooth, moisturized skin. Last but not the least, show your feet the care they deserve. Help yourself to some almond oil and mix it with 3 tablespoons of sea salt. The salt exfoliates your skin while the oil will repair your skin. Use this cleansing scrub all over your feet and your heels to remove dirt and any other impurities. Don't forget to moisturize after your scrubs and masks to lock in all that goodness. We hope you found these DIYs helpful and do check out our other videos for more such home remedies. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you never miss another video. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.